hasn't made this.
I think it's very important to remember that you are not alone and that you can always ask for help, and there are people who are willing to help you. And even if you're not getting that support from your friends or your family, there are always people to help you to walk this journey with you.
Mental health is as important as breathing, so you're not alone if you're struggling with your mental health. Always know that.
Mental health is just as important as physical health, emotional health, spiritual health, and hopefully more people will take it to be just as important and be willing to speak to others when they feel they have no one to speak to.
No man should carry the burden all alone. Speak up. Your story might change your life.
I've grown to believe that you really have to know pain before you know peace. You have to know ugly before you know beauty. And you really have to understand the worst of humanity, the worst of how you can feel before you know the best. So my perspective on mental health is to understand the spectrum and then find balance, power, and glory really in managing and being the best you can be.